the next stock that we're breaking down for this morning is AMC, or ticker symbol AMC. I have my lines and graphs already set. We're starting from a higher time frame, that being the daily interval, and this allows us to find the overall direction and trend that our stock is in. Helps us find our support and resistance lines and all these other good things. So let's go ahead and dive in. So you can see that we're clearly down nearly almost 5% for the morning. And we look at our volume, we're at 22 million. So we're definitely above the 150,000 threshold that we like to see, you guys. We're going to go over our support and resistance lines really quickly, and then we'll get into more in depth on where we're at. This top line at the $65 area is our highest level of resistance tested, you guys, and that can be easily tested by looking left. You can see that we came up into this area, got rejected twice, 3 times, 4, 5 times. So you can see all these candlesticks coming up in this area, testing it and getting it rejected. Okay, ultimately, the last time that it did, it pushed us all the way down to our lowest level of support tested, and you can see that at the $41 area. And we look left, you can see this is where we initially bounced, here, 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 a little bit over here, and now we're testing it as a resistance. So what works as a support will work as resistance underneath, you guys. So as of right now, would I consider this a good buy? Not necessarily just yet, just because we are technically above the trend line, but you have to look on where we're at. So we are underneath this tested resistance, you guys. You can see that we did create a little bit of a peekaboo or a little bit of a breakout, but ultimately failed, you guys. And it came up, tested this area, and now starting to pull back. And so what we want to see is for this to come back up and break above the 40, we can say the $41 or $42 area, to come up and come back down and retest it as a support level. Then that could be a beautiful entry, you guys, and then you can have your stop loss maybe underneath the $31 area. And if you don't use a stop loss, that's fine. I'm talking to my day traders or my other day trader, or I'm sorry, my swing traders. So if you want to have that under the $30 area, just in case we do break back below the $42 area, you'll be able to get tagged out. We can wait for a better entry. But as of right now, since we are underneath this tested resistance, it wouldn't be the smartest decision to get in right now. So when getting into a trade, you guys, we want the best opportunity, so that way we can get the best profit that we can get. But getting in right now with underneath this resistance, who's to say that we don't come back up into this resistance area again and ultimately fail like we did last time up here and start pulling back, okay? So I'm not saying that we're going to start this downward trend, but I'm just saying we have to be precautious and use our brain and see and use individual candlesticks to see exactly what is going on and where it's happening at, okay? So as of right now, you guys, let's be patient to see if we can break above the $41 or $42 area. If we can do that, come up and come back down and retest it as a support level, like I said, then that at that point in time could be a great buying opportunity, okay? So I like to make these videos really fast and efficiently, so that way you guys are able to just kind of get an idea of exactly what you're looking at. And if I did that, please hit that like and subscribe button. It allows me to create this content for you guys Monday through Friday or every other day. But other than that, you guys have a beautiful day and happy trading.